Okay. Now, what we're doing right now, we're breaking the word into syllables. That's what we're gonna do to help you master the phonetics, the sounds of the language better. Right? We're gonna start with the last five consonants that we just saw. Now, let's go with R. We have a tree. And those are the popular sounds you're gonna find with the letter R. It's when you mix, I say R for you, but you know it's When you mix to A, it gives you ra. A, ra. I, ri. E, re. E. That's it now. That's en, ran, a, ra, I, ri, e, re, e, rin, en, ran. Now, with the letter S, these are the sounds that you will see with that letter. S, A will give you sa. S, E will give you se. S, I will give you si. S, O will give you so. So. S, N will give you saint. S, on will give you sans. S, on will give you son. S, ou will give you su. Now, when you break them down like this, it helps you pronounce better. So that's why we're doing here. S, a, sa. S, e, se. S, I, si. S, o, so. S, en, sen. S, en, son. S, on, son. S, ou, su. Not all these are real words. Some of them are. Now, our next letter is T. T. A. Give us ta. T. A. Give us te. T. I. Give us ti. T. O. Give us to. T. E. Give us ten. T. On. Give us ton. T. Un. Give us ten. T. Ou. Two. Now remember, those are not necessarily real words. So it's just the sounds that we're putting together. So t, a, ta, t, e, te, t, I, ti, t, o, to, t, en, ten, t, on, ton, t, un, ten, t, ou, two. Now remember, wherever you see those, they are still gonna be pronounced the same way. That's the advantage we have in Creole. Wherever you see them, in whatever the word, they're still gonna be pronounced the same way. That was for letter T. Now, let's go with V. So, with V, you're gonna have V, A, va. V, E, V, V, I, vi, V, O, vo, V, en, vin, V, on, von, V, un, van, V, ou, vous. It's easy, right? Easy enough. That's it. Let's see the last letter. It's the same idea, right? The last letter, just get used to the sound. The last letter is Z. Now we have Z, A, za, Z, E, ze, Z, I, zi, Z, O, zo, z, an, zan, z, on, zon, z, an, zan, z, oo, zoo. Alright? Very important. Let's master those sounds, and we're gonna get into more practice in lesson 6. For now, we're gonna count again. Let's go count.